Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that Pesatube is it legit or scam, then this video is for you. Here is a solid review for you about the Pesatube. So Pesatube, here I'm going to give you a review on the best of Trustpilot and the Scam Advisor. So in Trustpilot, you can see I have just searched for Pesatube, and this is the first thing I have noticed, that this is actually unclaimed profile. That's mean this website hasn't just added or registered their profile in Trustpilot, but most of the reputed website and companies have been registered on the Trustpilot to gain the trust among the social media or this whole internet. Now, and there is a question about it might not be exists. So you can see the rating here. It have just 1.6 rating. That is a clear view that Pesatube is a scam. So from here you can find some legit reviews about the Pesatubes. Here is the most updated reviews of this month here. Yeah, here you can see this person have give the 3-star, 2-star, 2-star and 3-star also, and they have going through a bad experience on Pesatube. That's why they just give some bad review on Trustpilot, and it's so bad. There is a 5-star rating for only one. That could be a spam actually, but there is most of them are 1-star. That's mean in 74 reviews. So not enough reviews on Pesatube, and also most of the reviews are 1-star. So this is a clear view that Pesatube is a scam. And also in Scam Advisor, you can see that review that Pesatube decide this is scam or legit. The trust score is only 1, and the bad review is 93. Here you can see. So that means it's not legit here. So here is a positive, there is 2 positive highlights about this website, and here is lots of negative highlights of this website. So here you can see website owner is hiding his identity on Wiz using a paid service. The Alexa rank is high but the site young. We found several negative reviews about this site. We determined this very young site has a very high number of reviews. This website has only been registered recently. DNS filter reported this website as malicious in last 30 days. That's mean it's enough. And IPQ has flagged this website for phishing, and IPQ has flagged this website as suspicious. So that's the clear overview about the Pesatube. So this is a totally scam, so be aware of this site. So that's the pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.